Hello biologists, in today's daily revision task you are asked to produce a detailed summary sheet on how cells of multicellular organisms are specialised for particular functions. So erythrocytes, commonly known as red blood cells, carry oxygen from the lungs to respiring tissues. These are specialised in several ways for their function. They contain large amounts of haemoglobin that holds oxygen, and many of the organelles, including the nucleus, present in normal cells are not present in erythrocytes. This is to make more space for haemoglobin. Their shape is biconcave to maximise surface area, and so the speed of the movement of oxygen into and out of the cell can be increased. By the fact that they're biconcave shape as well, it also makes them flexible, which means that they can pass through capillaries more easily. Neutrophils are a type of white blood cell that ingests and destroys invading microorganisms. They have large amounts of liposomes, which contains enzymes that kill and ingest these pathogenic cells. Epithelial tissue is made up of epithelial cells and cover external and internal surfaces in animals. Different types of epithelial cells make up squamous epithelial and ciliated epithelial surfaces. Squamous epithelial cells make up squamous epithelial tissue. They are flat cells and form a single thin smooth layer that lines tubes where diffusion occurs. They occur, for example, in the alveoli and in some blood vessels. They are held in place by a basement membrane. This is composed of collagen and glycoproteins secreted by the epithelial cells themselves. Ciliated epithelial cells are columned in shape. They cover many surfaces, and by the fact that they're ciliated, have a large surface area. They have tiny projections on their surfaces called cilia, which beat in a synchronized pattern to move mucus along that is produced by goblet cells. They can be found in the trachea, uterus, and bronchi. You will also find ciliated cells in the digestive system. Sperm cells are specialised in a number of ways. They have a tail, which allows them to swim. They have many mitochondria, which provide energy for the tail to move. The head of the cell contains a specialised enzyme called acrosome. This acrosome allows the sperm cell to burrow into an egg cell, so it is more likely to pass in. The other main way the sperm cell is adapted is that it only carries half the number of chromosomes. Root hair cells are found in the roots of plants. Their role is to absorb water, minerals in the soil. They have a large surface area due to their hair-like projections, which eases the uptake of water and minerals. They also have a large amount of mitochondria, which provide the energy for active transport. Xylem tissue consists of xylem vessels and pericardial cells. Xylem vessels are made of dead cells that have become elongated and are reinforced with waterproof deposits of lignin. The dead cells also have no ends, so that successive cells form tubes within the wide lumen. Xylems transport water around the cells. Phloem tissue is made up of sieve tubes and companion cells. Sieve tubes line up from end to end and allow the products made by photosynthesis to pass through the plants easily. Hopefully this video should have helped you complete your daily revision task. Please subscribe so you can keep up to date with other videos to help with your daily revision tasks. You can follow me on Facebook or follow me on Twitter to help you keep up to date.